All right, we are going to look at our next two greenhouse gases. We have methane and ozone here. Methane is new to us, but ozone we talked about earlier in this lesson. Methane is CH4. Methane is made of carbon and hydrogen, is a normal gas released from wetlands. Wetlands are like swamp areas. Growing rice, so any rice fields, methane is going to be released from. Raising cattle, this is probably one of the largest areas that methane is released from. So any cow farms, methane is going to be released from, because methane is actually the gas that comes out of cows' poops and farts. And then using natural gas and mining coal. So coal mines is going to release methane gas. The ozone is O3, and it is up in the atmosphere where the planes fly, so actually the troposphere. The ozone layer blocks the sun's radiation. So remember earlier in the lesson we talked about how the ozone gas blocked UVB, which is ultraviolet radiation, right? So this ozone layer blocks the sun's radiation, which helps protect us from powerful rays, right? So we said that when the ozone went away, all of a sudden humans were starting to get more sunburn, ice was starting to melt, and skin cancer was a lot more of a possibility because there was nothing to block those really strong rays from the sun. All right, so those are the good things that both methane and ozone do for us. Let's flip these cards and see what bad things they could do. So methane, angry methane superhero. Methane traps a lot of heat. Scientists consider it to be the second most important contributor to human-caused global warming or climate change of all the greenhouse gases. So remember, our first contributor for human-caused climate change is carbon dioxide, and our second contributor is methane. And remember, methane comes from coal mining, from cow farms, from wetlands, and from rice growing. Now let's flip ozone, angry ozone. Ozone is close to the ground, so it can affect us a lot more. Ozone acts as a greenhouse gas and can be formed by burning gas in cars and factories. So remember we talked about how driving cars, driving buses, the factory gases, these all are going to make ozone disappear, and we need ozone to make sure that we don't get sunburned.